Greetings, everyone. This is my DIY Hibiscus Deep Conditioner. I love this stuff. This works so well, and it smells so good. It smells like you can eat this stuff. If you want to know how I made this, check out my previous video. Here I am just applying this deep conditioner straight to my dry, dirty hair. My hair isn't that dirty, it's just built up with a lot of products as far as shea butter and grease, and I just need a refresh for this week. It's strong, and I am trying out this Hibiscus deep conditioner. This is my first time using this concoction, but I can already tell this is a win. This feels so good on my hair. I can feel it moisturizing. Now for the deep conditioning, I'm going to let this sit on my hair under a plastic bag for some minutes, 30 minutes or so. Here, all rinsed out, and my hair feels wonderful. I love how that made my hair feel. Now it's time to seal that moisture, lock that moisture in. First, I'm spraying on my aloe vera juice mix, which is my leave-in conditioner. Off camera, I sealed with shea butter and grease. I am air drying with my favorite blow dryer, the Rev Air. I will definitely be making this deep conditioner part of my regimen. I loved it. Thanks for watching.